Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board has released the Model Question Paper number 2, Multiple Choice Question Based Model Question Paper number 2, 2020-21. So subject Social Science English Medium. The complete detailed description, analysis of the questions with answers in this video. Four choices are given for each of the questions. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to your with blue or black ballpoint pen. So here is the question number 81. The trade and commerce between Asia and Europe was taking place through the city of Constantinople. So it was called. This is the question from history unit number 1, Advent of Europeans to India. And the four options are: option A, the gateway of Indian trade; option B, the gateway of Asian trade; option C, the gateway of European trade; option D, the gateway of Arabian trade. And the right answer for this question, option C, the gateway of European trade. And the next question number 82. India adapted its constitution on. This is from history unit number 2, the extension of the British rule. And the four options are: option A, 15th August 1947; option B, 26th January 1950; option C, 15th March 1948; option D, 26th August 1950. And the right answer for this question, option B, 26th January 1950. And the next question number 83. Universities in Madras, Calcutta and Bombay were established by. This is the question from history unit number 3, the impact of British rule in India. And the four options: option A, Macaulay; option B, Dalhousie; option C, William Bentinck; option D, Cornwallis. And the right answer for this question, option B, Dalhousie. And question number 84. The defeat of Hyder Ali at Porto Novo made. So this is the question from history unit number 4, opposition to British rule in Karnataka. And the four options: option A, the British officers worried; option B, Irkut surrender; option C, the French to fight; option D, the British to gain confidence. And the right answer for this question, option D, the British to gain confidence. And the next question number 85. Dr. Annie Besant was called Shweta Saraswati because. This is the question from history unit number 5, social and religious reformation movements. And the four options: option A, she translated Ramayana into English; option B, she wrote a book on goddess Saraswati; option C, she translated Bhagavad Gita to English; option D, she got converted to Hinduism. And the right answer for this question, option C, she translated Bhagavad Gita to English. Question number 86. One of the causes for the failure of the first war of Indian independence. And this is the question from history unit number 6, the first war of Indian independence. And the four options: option A, the Britishers did not have modern weapons; option B, Rani Chennamma was arrested; option C, all the Indian kings revolted against the British; option D, there was no good leader to lead. And the right answer for this question? Option D. There was no good leader to lead. Question number 87. The first president of Indian National Congress was. This is the lesson from the history unit number 7, freedom movement. And the four options. Option A, Surendranath Banerjee. Option B, W.C. Banerjee. Option C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option D, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. And the right answer for this question, option B, W.C. Banerjee. And the next, question number 88. Forward Bloc was founded by. This is the question from history unit number 7, freedom movement. And four options. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Motilal Nehru. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Option D, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And the right answer, option D, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 89. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was rightly called the Iron Man of India because. This is the question from history unit number 8, post independent India. And the four options. Option A, became the first defense minister of independent India. He unified the princely states into Indian Union. Option C, he wanted to become the prime minister of independent India. Option D, he fought against Pakistan in Indo-Pak war. And the right answer for this question, option B, he unified the princely states into Indian Union. Dadabhai Naoroji, M.G. Ranade and Gopala Krishna Gokhale belong to. This is the question from history unit number 7, freedom movement. And the four options. Option A, moderates. Option B, radicals. Option C, revolutionaries. Option D, ICS officers. And the right answer for this question, option A, moderates. And the next, question number 91. The immediate cause for the first war of Indian independence. This is the question from history unit number 6, the first war of Indian independence. And the four options. Option A, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in the battle. Option B, Nana Sahib captured Kanpur. Option C, Tantia Topi was arrested. Option D, introduction of Enfield rifles. And the right answer for this question, option D, introduction of Enfield rifles. Next, question number 92. The Bedas of Halagali revolted against the British because. This is the question from history unit number 4, opposition to British rule in Karnataka. And the options. Option A, the British introduced Arms Act. Option B, the British introduced Doctrine of Lapse. Option C, the British introduced Vernacular Press Act. Option D, the British captured Puttabasappa. And the right answer for this question, option A, the British introduced Arms Act. And the next, question number 93. The Satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi in support of indigo growers was. This is the question from history unit number 8, era of Gandhi and national movement. And the four options. Option A, Kheda Satyagraha. Option B, Bardoli Satyagraha. Option C, Champaran Satyagraha. Option D, Salt Satyagraha. And the right answer for this question, option C, Champaran Satyagraha. And the next, question number 94. The first woman president of India was. This is the question from political science unit number 1, the problems of India and their solutions. And the four options. Option A, Indira Gandhi. B, Sarojini Naidu. C, Pratibha Patil. Option D, Sucheta Kripalani. And the right answer for this question, option C, Pratibha Patil. Next, question number 95. Panchashila principles were signed between the countries. This is the question from political science Unit number 2, Indian Foreign Policy. And the 4 options. Option A, India and Pakistan. Option B, India and Nepal. And option C, India and China. Option D, India and Bangladesh. And the right answer for this question, option C, India and China. Question number 96. Indian foreign policy is also known as. This is the question from Political Science, Unit number 2, Indian foreign policy. Option A, Gandhian foreign policy. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru's foreign policy. Option C, Sardar Patel's foreign policy. Option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri's foreign policy. And the right answer for this question, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru's foreign policy. Question number 97. Indian foreign policy. 97. Human Rights Day is observed every year on. This is the question from Political Science, Unit number 4, Global Problems and India's Role. And the 4 options. Option A, 14th November. B, 15th March. C, 14th February. D, 10th December. And the right answer, option D, 10th December. Question number 98. The word United Nations was first proposed by. This is the question from Political Science, Unit number 5, International Institutions. Option A, Franklin D. Roosevelt. B, Winston Churchill. C, Joseph Stalin. D, John F. Kennedy. And the right answer, option A, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question number 99. The chief architect of Indian Constitution. This is the question from Sociology, Unit number 1, Social Stratification. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Option C, Babu Rajendra Prasad. Option D, B.N. Rao. And the right answer, option B, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Question number 100. Migration is the main characteristics of. This is the question from Sociology, Unit number 2, Labor. And the 4 options. Option A, organized sector laborers. B, bonded labor sector. C, agricultural laborer sector. D, unorganized sector laborers. And the right answer, option D, unorganized sector laborers. Question number 101. Chipko movement was conducted to protest and protect. This is the question from Sociology, Unit number 3, Social Movements. And the 4 options. Option A, the trees from getting cut. B, the silent valleys, sensitive ecological balance. C, the displacement of tribal people. D, the deforestation of tropical evergreen forest in Western Ghats. And the right answer, option A, the trees from getting cut. Question number 102. Invisible hunger refers to. This is the question from Sociology, Unit number 4, Social Problems. And the 4 options. Option A, malnutrition. B, the people above poverty line. C, prosperity. D, child abuse. And the right answer, option A, malnutrition. Question number 103. The lesser Himalayas are also called as. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 2, Indian Physiography. For options, option A, Himachal. B, Himadri. C, Sivalix. D, Mount Everest. And the right answer, option A, Himachal. Question number 104. The conventional rain that occurs during summer in Karnataka is called. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 3, Indian Climate. And the 4 options. Option A, Kala Baisakhi. B, Andes. C, Coffee Blossom. Option D, Kumari. And the right answer, option C, Coffee Blossoms. Question number 105. One of the measures to conserve soil among these. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 4, Indian Soils. And the 4 options. Option A, overgrazing. Option B, shifting cultivation. Option C, afforestation. Option D, use of topsoil for making bricks and tiles? And the right answer, option C, afforestation. Question number 106. The type of forest found in the river deltas. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 5, Indian Forest Resources. For options, option A, mountain forest, option B, tropical evergreen forest, option C, tropical deciduous forest, option D, mangrove forest. And the right answer, option D, mangrove forest. Next question number 107. The important multi-purpose river valley project of Odisha. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 6, Indian Water Resources. And the four options, option A, Hirakud, option B, Nagarjun Sagar, option C, Govind Sagar, option D, Rihan. And the right answer, option A, Hirakud. Question number 108. The second largest producer of sugarcane in the world is. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 7, Indian Land Resources. And the four options, option A, India, B, Brazil, C, China, D, Cuba. And the right answer, option A, India. Question number 109. The state highways are constructed and maintained by. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 9, Indian Transport and Communication. And the four options, option A, Central Public Works Department, option B, State Public Works Department, C, National Highway Authority of India, D, Border Roads Development Authority. And the right answer, option B, State Public Works Department. Next question number 110. Mumbai Port is popularly known as. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 9, Indian Transport and Communication. And the four options, option A, the Gateway of India, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, option C, largest terminal port of India, option D, the deepest landlocked port of India. And the right answer, option A, the Gateway of India. Question number 111. The second important metal based industry in India is. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 10, Indian Industries. For options, option A, aluminium industry, option B, iron and steel industry, option C, biotechnology industry, option B, textile industry. And the right answer, option A, aluminium industry. Question number 112. Paper industry is a. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 10, Indian Industries. And the four options, option A, forest based industry, B, knowledge based industry, C, agro based industry, D, mineral based industry. And the right answer, option A, forest based industry. Question number 113. The large waves generated by earthquakes under the sea are called as. This is the question from Geography, Unit number 11, Indian Natural Disasters. And the four options, option A, tides, B, ocean currents, C, floods, option D, tsunamis. And the right answer, option D, tsunamis. Next question number 114. National income divided by the total population we get. This is the lesson from Economics, Unit number 1, Development. And the four options, option A, real national income, B, per capita income, C, purchasing power, D, World Development Report, option B, per capita income. Next question 115. Health is measured in terms of. This is the question from Economics, Unit number 1, Development. Option A, literacy attainment, B, purchasing power, C, life expectancy, D, real national income. And the right answer, life expectancy. Question number 116. Gram Swaraj was the concept of. This is the question from Economics, Unit number 2, rural development. And the four options: option A, Jawaharlal Nehru; B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel; C, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose; D, Mahatma Gandhi ji. And the right answer, option D, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Next question number 117. Postal Bank of India functions with the network of. This is the question from Business Study, Unit number 1, Banking Transactions. And the four options: option A, State Bank of India; B, cooperative societies; C, post offices; D, regulated market corporations. And the right answer, option C, post offices. Question number 118. The mother of banks in India is. This is the question. Business Study, Unit number 1, Banking Transactions. And the four options: option A, State Bank of India; option B, NABARD; option C, Apex Bank; D, Reserve Bank of India. And the right answer for this question, option D, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 119. Consumer Protection Act was passed in India in the year. Question from Business Study, Unit number 4, Consumer Education and Protection. And the four options: option A, 1976; B, 1986; C, 1996; option D, 2006; option B, 1986. And the last question number 120. The US President who gave consumer rights in 1962 was. This is the question from Business Study, Unit number 4, Consumer Education and Protection. And the four options: option A, George Washington; B, Abraham Lincoln; C, John F. Kennedy; D, Franklin D. Roosevelt. And the right answer for this question, option C, John F. Kennedy. This is about Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board multiple choice question based model question paper 2. So social science, English medium. I hope you will like this video. I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until, bye bye.